Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time it is, or whenever you are watching this video, I greet you. So, this year I am trying to learn how to greet you guys properly because I just realized that I don't greet you guys very well. All I do is hey guys, hey this, hey that. No, I don't want to be doing that this year. I want to change my ways. I want to change my bad ways. So help me, God. Okay? Hey guys, welcome to another video. So you remember this braid, right? I don't know if you remember. Good. If you don't remember, go back and watch my video so you will remember. So this hair is a month old. Yeah, a month old. I made this hair January 3rd and today is February 4th. I'll be February 2nd. I don't know. Guys, I shall know is 1 month old, so I'm losing it February. So I already hydrated and applied some leave-in conditioner already. I did that off camera because I wasn't planning on recording this taking down of this braid, but I just decided, why not? There's light and there's camera, so why don't you record something and put out for your people. So that is what I'm doing, and you guys, I'm also being careful because I feel like my hair is being too long now, so I don't want to cut my hair by mistake because I will cry. I'm gonna cry. So if you're like me, if you want to cut your hair, please be careful. If you don't want to lose your hair, okay, but if you don't regard your hair, you can cut it off, no problem. Okay, so guys, while taking out this hair, I'm going to be giving you guys 6 steps to create a simple and effective hair care routine in this 2025. Don't tell me that you are a natural girl and you don't have any hair care routine yet. Like, are you kidding me? Well, I've got you covered. Okay, so step 1 is identifying your hair, knowing your hair porosity. Do you have low porosity, high porosity, medium? Which is your type? That is number 1 thing to find out. Identify your hair porosity, density, texture. Those are more important than knowing your hair type 3, type 4 and all that. Having good knowledge of those will help you make best decision for your hair. Step 2, identify your hair problem / goal. Your hair problem and your hair goal. What is it you want? What do you want to achieve with your hair? Length, thickness, itchy free scalp, more moisture, less breakage. What do you want? What is your problem? Identify it. Okay. Step 3, what are the available solutions? Are there products that could help you grow your hair thick, long, itchy scalp free? Are there products that could help you get rid of itchy scalp, dandruff, breakage? Step 4, what does your lifestyle allow you to do? What time do you have to make your hair? Are you available to make your hair in a week or in a month? What styles works for you best? Protective style or witch style? Which one works for you best? Those are the things you need to know. Okay, once you know all these things, trust me, you are going to love natural hair journey like never before. And step 5, what are the products that works for you? You need to buy products according to your hair type. You don't just go to the market and buy any product or buy because others are buying. You need to buy the best product for your hair. Don't buy because you want it. Buy it because your hair needs it. Okay? Then step 6, which is the last step for today, be consistent. When I say consistent, use everything according to the way it's written on the description of the product. Okay? Read the description. Read how to use. Okay? Don't use it wrongly. Follow the instruction. Be consistent. Always use your deep conditioner in every wash, and always trim your ends. And trust me, you are going to love your hair. I hope this video was useful and I hope you enjoyed watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and yep. Bye guys. Mwah.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Never hold and call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on it. Twist my fingers up on a bang on it.